What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play The World Needs Now. It's Love, Sweet Love. Written by Burt Bacharach. Many people covered the song. I'm gonna do it in, let's see, key are we in? We're gonna have sharp minor. Starts in F sharp minor actually, so we're gonna do a cape on 2, so we got open chords. So a lot of people did the song in this key. Alright, so we got E minor, second, third, to A minor, first finger, second, third. There's a basic strumming. An F major, first finger, second, third, pinky, to E minor, to G major, second, third, pinky, back to E minor, F major. This time we're going to go to E sus, to E major. So that's 1, 2, 3. Add the pinky on the G string. Lift up the pinky. And then we have the next part. It's A minor. To G minor. Bar chord. So you got a bar 3rd fret. Third finger, pinky, C major, 1, 2, 3, to F major, back to G minor, C major, F major, A minor, that's a D7 there. First finger, second, third, to G major. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more great hits, like always. And be safe. Take care. Thank you.